Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Na hindi kagaya ng mga nakaraan na pinapabayaan lang maghari ang mga China dito sa ating sariling pa na kahit na ganito lang tayo, mahirap man o anumang estado ng...
We're celebrating the Philippine Independence Day on its eve here in front of the Chinese consular office. This is our way of celebrating the courage and heroism of Filipinos who fought against occupation by foreign aggressors in the past. And this is also our way of telling China that we have a history of courage against aggressors and we will not be cowed by their present occupation and harassment in the West Philippine Sea.